Welcome to African Edge. In this video, we take a look at coldest countries in Africa. The climate of Africa is hot because it is in the intertropical region between the Cancerous tropics and the Capricorn regions. Although the continent itself might not be cold, there are specific places in some countries where only an area or mountain is cold and sometimes even snows. So welcome to African Edge, and we take a look at the top 5 coldest countries in Africa. At number 1, Lesotho. The temperature range for Lesotho is 18 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. The landmass is 30,355 square meters. The highest point is 3,482 meters. Lesotho is the southernmost country in Africa and prides itself in being located above 1,000 meters. The lowest point of Lesotho is 1,400 meters compared to other countries of the world central to the country's cold weather. Country number 2, Morocco. The temperatures of Morocco is 8 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Morocco is the closest country to Europe. The country has different climatic zones like the Alpine, semi-arid, Mediterranean, sub-Mediterranean and continental. These different climates are in different parts of Morocco and they vary in temperature. The kind of temperature in Morocco depends largely on the season of a particular time. When it's summertime, it is the hottest. When winter arrives, the temperatures varies in different areas and can drop to 5 degrees Celsius, or sometimes it gets to 8 degrees Celsius. Country number 3, South Africa. The temperature of South Africa is 16 to 40 degrees Celsius. The landmass is 1,221,000 kilometers squared. The highest point is 3,450 meters, while the lowest point is 0 meters above sea level. Some parts of South Africa are humid, in some parts it's cold, and in others it's snowing. The country is usually cold in the winter season and the weather can drop 16 degrees Celsius. The climate of the country is determined by the country's state between 22 degrees south and 35 degrees south of the equatorial plane in the southern hemisphere. Johannesburg is also a cold city where the weather can reach 2 degrees Celsius in June and July, while it reaches 27 degrees Celsius. Although it does not snow here, the city has experienced snow several times and in different months of the year. At number 4, Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. The temperatures of this mountain is 29 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. The landmass is 388,000 hectares. The highest point of the mountain is 5,899 meters, while the lowest point is 4,005 meters. Due to this effect, there is the effect of equatorial trade winds as well as high altitude trade, which makes Mount Kilimanjaro colder than most parts of Africa. The weather on the mountain can drop to -15 to -29 degrees Celsius. It can also reach up to 21 degrees Celsius and up to 27 degrees Celsius, and in this part of the world, it can snow at any time. However, more snow comes around in the first week of December, and it also falls more in June, July, August and September. January and February are warmer than the rest of the year. Meanwhile, September is the warmest. The mountain experiences different seasons, and various sides of the mountain experience the same weather in diverse ways. At number 5, Mount Kenya in Kenya. The temperature of this mountain in Kenya is 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. The landmass is 715 kilometers to 276 square meters. The highest point of the mountain is 5,199 meters, 17,057 feet. The lowest point is 4,850 meters. Mount Kenya is another place that snows in Africa, and this is due to the height of the mountain. This does not make people stop visiting the place, as it is open to everyone. Snow and rain are seen around March to December, but there is no wind. There you have it. While Africa is the hottest continent in the world, there are some places that even snow. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching African Edge.